Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. Myself, Dr. Abhishek. Welcome all of you in MATLAB session. In this video, I am going to show how to draw one tangent line of the given curve at any particular point in the using MATLAB. Okay, so we'll visualize that how to draw the curve, how to draw the tangent line at any particular point on the curve. Okay, so first what we have, y equal to f of x is the given function, so x is the variable here, so we'll define sims x. This is the symbolic variable of like x is the variable here, right? So here we have only one input, two inputs. One input is the given function, and second input that particular point where we need to draw the tangent line. So we have two inputs. Let us have f equal to input, enter the function f, right? Okay, then let us take that point x1. x1 equal to enter the function, enter the point at which we need to draw the tangent. Okay, so there are two tangent for this program. One is the given function, second one the point at which we are going to draw the tangent. Fine. Okay, now for drawing the tangent we need that first slope of f at the given point. So we'll have the derivative first, f x equal to differentiation of f comma x. So this will give the differentiation of f with respect to x. Okay, so what is the slope? Slope will be your value of derivative at that particular point. So we'll use subs command, fx value of derivative at x1 point. So we got the slope, right? Okay, fine. Now if you see the equation of tangent line, so we have y minus, I'll put percentage, so this is not part of your program, this is for understanding. Your equation of tangent, we have y minus y1 equal to slope x minus x1, right? Okay, so what is the y1? Y1 is nothing but your value of y at the point x1. So we'll find out y1 here. So y1 is nothing but the functional value at x1. So f comma x1. Now we got the y1 also. Now slope we have, y1 we have, x1 we have. So we can write the equation of tangent. So tangent equation, I'll denote like this, equal to y1 plus slope into x minus x1. So this is your equation of tangent. Okay, so now let us draw that. So first what we'll draw? We'll draw the given curve. Okay, what will be domain? So your domain will be, we'll extend the domain around the point x1, because your curve should have the x1. So we'll have x1 minus 2, x1 plus 2. So this will make sure your x1 point is there on the curve. So I have ez plot f comma domain will be your x1 minus 2 comma x1 plus 2. So what is the advantage of this? It will cover the, actually we are extending the domain around the point x1. This will draw the curve in which your x1 point will be there. Okay, now let us mark the point at which we are going to draw the tangent. So what is that point? That point is x1 y1, right? x1 comma y1 comma r star. I am marking, hold on. Oh yeah, you need to put hold on, right? Hold on, if you don't put means the new one will old one will replaced by new one. So I have given plot, and we have the function, and we mark the point x1 y1 at which we are drawing the curve. Now we can draw the tangent line. So ez plot. What is the tangent? Tangent already we have tang. I have denoted tangent. And what is the domain? We'll have the same domain x1 minus 2, comma x1 plus 2. So this is the domain ez plus. Fine. So this is your domain. Now let us run the program and see are we getting the output or any error. If any error is there, we'll try to rectify that. Let us open the command window. Yeah, command window asking enter the function f. Okay, so I'll put x square plus 1. This is a given function, and I'll take some 3, x equal to 3, at which we want to draw the tangent. Let us see. Yes, can you see that output? Yes, see, this is the your x square plus 1, and this line is the tangent line, and we have marked that point also, plot x1 y1. Let us see, can you see that? Yeah, so this is the equation of tangent at that given particular curve at the particular point. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.